What up guys, I'm Thales and we're back with another how to slice. In today's how to slice video, we're going to be checking out some awesome Christmas countdown. So let's go to the video. So this is Santa's chimney. As you can see, this is a really nice model to print for Christmas, and in this video, we're going to be checking out the best print settings to print it. So let's go. So as you can see right here, we got the lower part, the upper part of this chimney, and right here we got Santa Claus and the elf. So let's go to the print settings. So over here in layer height, we're going to be decreasing this value to 0.16 millimeters so we can get a better quality print. This way we're going to have more layers. It's going to take more time to print, but we're going to have a finer quality. Going over here to vertical shells, we're going to be leaving at 3. 3 is a really nice value because we're going to get a really dense and really rigid model. Going over to infill, we're going to be increasing to 10%. Gyroid infill pattern. This is great because they're printing waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line. This reduces the chance of your print failing while printing the infill. Going over here to skirt and brim, this model does not need any brim. As you can see, all of the parts, they got a good bed adhesion. But if you have some bed adhesion issues in your prints, I always recommend cleaning your build plate with some isopropyl alcohol or detergent to remove all of the dust or oils from your finger that are on the build plate, because that impacts a lot the bed adhesion. Going back to the print settings, we're not going to be adding brim. Neither support material. We do not need to enable support material. As you can see right here, the most difficult part of this print is this sections right here. But as you can see right here, so this will attach right here, the elf's leg is going to attach in each brick right here. So this is a bridge. A bridge is when something, it's not supported, so this is not supported, but as this is flat, there's a connection, is a short connection. Your printer can print this without any support because the filament is going to go from here to here without any support in this under part. So make sure that your printer, you're not printing at a too high temperature. So sometimes you can have some stringing right here, but it may not happen. And what I would recommend is that you have a good cooling. So make sure that your fans are well cleaned. And if you have any questions about this, STL Academy offers a really nice course on how to 3D print without any mistakes. But this is a really short bridge, so you're not going to have too many problems. It's going to be quite easy to print as this is really short bridge. Going back right here to speed, you can be printing at your standard print speed. So as you can see in bridges, it's at around 60 millimeters a second. This is fine. The standard print speed is fine, and we do not need to mess with any of this. So this is great. What you can do is, we can slice now, but if you want, I'm going to be showing you a tip on how to get a better quality print. So everything is going to be printing at 0.16 millimeters. If you want to go an extra, a little step higher, what you can do is print these models right here that need a really nice quality at 0.14 millimeters. This is a nice way to increase the quality on this, the elf and the Santa Claus. I'm just going to be showing you this right now. Actually, you're not, you can do this if you want. This is just a nice tip. And feel free to do so. So if you want, you can just right click, go to layers and perimeters, and right here, as you can see, the Santa Claus is at a 0.16 millimeters. You can go to 0.14 millimeters. See, now the Santa Claus is being printed at 0.14 millimeters, so a better quality than the tower. What you can do is select right here, so we just change layers and perimeters. Select Ctrl C, go to this part, Command V or Ctrl V, and the elf, Ctrl V. This way, all of these 3 parts are going to be printing at 0.14 millimeters. You do not need to do this. This is just a nice tip. for you to learn some of how to change specific layer heights to different parts in the same build plate. So this is quite nice. You do not need to do this, but if you want to go a step higher, step forward, you can do this and reduce the layer height for this for the elves and the Santa Claus. So this is perfect. Let's just slice. So as you can see, we have sliced and it looks fantastic. Right here we got the Santa Claus and the elf with a lower layer height. And right here the chimney looks quite nice. We got some bridges right here that we're gonna be aware, but it's quite short, so it's gonna be simple to print. And right here on the back. So this looks nice. After print, you can just assemble. So this is the upper part. You can just connect it right here. And it's gonna turn into a really nice countdown for Christmas. So grab a really nice filament that you have laying around and print this model. So the models are ready to print. Make sure you check out stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.